Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto correction and auto capitalization on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel devices running the latest Android 16 version. By default, enable the auto correction. That will means when you type the words, it will automatically suggest you the correct spelling if you enter the wrong spelling on your device. So it will automatically correct the right words, or you can check it in the text. Let's see with example. When you open the keyboard on your device, now enter the any wrong. When you type, you can see at the bottom you can find the words automatically. It will identify the words. So here we enter this wrong words, but at the bottom you can find the correct spelling. So you can easily tap on it. So it will automatically correcting the words when you typing the keyboard on your device. Also, you can see the auto capitalization means it will automatically capitalize your first letter when you type in the text box. So if you want to turn off this auto correction feature or capitalization, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down up to system, tap on a system. Here you can find the option in the keyboard, tap on the keyboard. Now tap on on-screen keyboard at the top, tap on a Gboard. Here you can find the correction and suggestion option and different Gboard settings on your device. So tap on correction and suggestion. Here you can see the auto correction, correct words while typing on your device. So toggle on this option. You undo autocorrect on backspace if you want to use backspace on your device, so you can enable disable this feature also. If you want to turn off it, just toggle off it to turn off the auto correction on your device, but we use it so automatically check the spelling and improve your. Also tap on auto capitalization, capitalize the first word of each sentence while using on-screen keyboard. So you can toggle off it, turn off the auto capitalization. Also you can enable disable spelling check, underline misspelling word in a red, grammar check, underline grammar in error blue. So you can see the list of different available next word suggestion. This will use previous context to make suggestion. So you can see the list of the different edit text with the AI. So icon to access writing tools while typing. So this is the all important features you need to turn it on or off in your Google Gboard theme for the correction and suggestion settings. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.